Hey Raj, quick question. Outside of our recordings, how often do you actually speak English?
Honestly, almost never. I speak Hindi with my family, Hindi with my friends. English only happens here with you.
That's actually a huge problem for most learners. You can know all the grammar and vocabulary, but if you never speak, you never improve.
True. But what can I do? I don't have anyone around me who speaks English regularly.
That's exactly today's topic. Lesson 17. How to speak English alone at home. You don't need another person to practice speaking.
Wait, how does that even work? Speaking needs someone to talk to, right?
Not necessary. There are so many ways to practice speaking completely alone. Let me walk you through a few, and we'll even try some right now.
Okay, I'm curious. What's the first method?
The simplest one, narrating your actions. While you're doing something, describe it out loud in English, like a commentary.
Like, what exactly?
Let's say you're making tea. You'd eat something like, now I'm boiling the water. I'm adding tea leaves and sugar. It's starting to smell really good.
Oh, like talking to yourself while cooking.
Exactly. It feels a little strange at first, but it forces your brain to think in English in real time, using words for things you see and do every day.
Let's try it. I will narrate something right now. Okay. I'm sitting on a chair. In front of me, there is a table with a microphone on it. I'm talking to Anjali, and honestly, I feel a little silly doing this.
That's perfect, Raj. See, that wasn't so hard. And you naturally used present continuous tense the whole time.
That actually felt easier than I expected.
Right, because you are just describing what is already in front of you. No need to think of a topic. Okay, second method, talking to the mirror.
Talking to a mirror? That sounds a bit crazy, honestly.
It sounds strange, but it's actually really effective. When you look at yourself while speaking, you notice your expressions, your confidence, and it feels more like a real conversation than just talking into empty air.
What would someone even say to a mirror?
You can talk about your day, like, today was a decent day. I finished my work early, but the traffic while coming home was really annoying. Just casual talk, like you're updating a friend.
Okay, that's actually not that different from what we do in our videos.
Exactly. And that's the point. You're training the same skill, just without needing me there.
What's the third method?
Recording yourself. Use your phone. Record a 1 minute voice note on any topic. Your weekend, your favorite food, a movie you watched, and just speak continuously.
And then what? Just delete it?
No! Listen to it back. This is the powerful part. When you hear your own recording, you will notice mistakes you didn't even realize you were making. Wrong grammar, filler words, awkward poses.
Oh, that sounds a bit scary, hearing your own mistakes.
It is a little uncomfortable at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to improve because you become your own teacher.
Let's try this right now, actually. I will record a quick 30-second answer on, let's say, my favorite food.
Perfect. Go ahead. Imagine you're recording a voice note.
Okay, so my favorite food is definitely butter chicken. I know it's a very common choice, but honestly, nothing beats it. My mother makes the best version, way better than restaurants. I usually eat it with naan, not rice, because I feel naan soaks up the gravy better. Every time I have a bad day, this is the food that instantly makes me feel better.
That was actually really good, Raj. Natural, clear, and you use some nice phrases like soaks up the gravy and instantly makes me feel better.
See, when there's no pressure of a taste, I speak more naturally.
Exactly. That's the beauty of practicing alone. No judgment, no pressure. Just genuine expression.
Okay, what's the fourth method?
Giving your opinion on random topics, even silly ones. Like, stand in your room and give a 30-second opinion on something like, is pizza better than burgers?
That sounds fun actually. Let me try. Honestly, I think pizza is better than burgers because pizza has more variety. You can add so many toppings, but a burger is pretty much the same every time. Also, pizza is better for sharing with friends, while a burger is more of a personal one person meal.
Great opinion. And great structure, too. You gave your view and then backed it up with two reasons.
This is actually a fun way to practice, way better than boring grammar drills.
Exactly. That's the whole idea. Make speaking practice feel enjoyable, not like homework. What's the fifth method? This one's a bit unusual. Talking to pets or objects.
Talking to objects, like talking to my table?
Well, more like talking to a pet if you have one, or even a plant, a photo, anything really. The idea is just having something to address while you speak. So it feels a bit more like real conversation, instead of just talking to yourself in silence.
I don't have a pet, but I do have a plant on my window.
Perfect. You could say something like, good morning. You are growing really well this week. I should water you a bit more, though. It sounds silly, but it removes the awkwardness of talking to nobody.
Okay, I might actually try that, though I'll probably feel embarrassed the first few times.
Everyone does at first. That's completely normal. The embarrassment fades quickly once you see the improvement.
Okay, one more question. How much time should someone actually spend doing this daily?
Even 10 minutes a day makes a real difference. You don't need an hour. Just pick one method: narrating your actions, mirror talk, a voice recording, or giving an opinion, and do it consistently.
And I'm guessing consistency matters more than doing a lot in one day?
Exactly. 10 minutes daily beats 1 hour once a week every single time. Your mouth and brain need regular practice, like a muscle.
That actually makes this feel very doable, even for someone busy like me.
That's the goal. So, friends, to summarize, you can genuinely improve your speaking without another person using 5 methods: narrate your actions, talk to a mirror, record voice notes and replay them, give opinions on random topics, and talk to a pet or object if that feels more natural.
Honestly, out of all these, I think I will start with the voice recording one, since it lets me actually hear my own mistakes.
Great choice. Friends, try one of these methods today, right after watching this video, while it's still fresh in your mind.
And comment below which method you are going to try: mirror talk, narrating, recording, or talking to a plant like me.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing more practical speaking techniques like this.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!
Bye. And Anjali, I'm actually going to go introduce myself to my plant properly now.
Please do, and tell us how it goes.
Bye, everyone.